What a lovely day. Peppa, George, and Tom Tom are playing soccer in the front yard.
Pass it to me, Tom Tom! Here it comes, super kick! Oh no! The ball rolled all the way to the tree! Huh, why did it get so dark? I think that was thunder. Let's play a little longer.
Kids, come inside. A thunderstorm is coming.
But the match isn't over yet, Mummy!
I know you're having fun, but during storms, we must be extra careful.
First, never hide under tall trees. They get struck easily.
The second, no electronics. Turn off TVs, phones, and game consoles.
And last, stay away from windows. Lightning flashes can be really bright.
So during a storm, we should get inside!
Peppa and her friends came inside just in time. It's safe and full of snacks.
Staying inside is fun too.
A few minutes later.
The sky is clear again. The rainbow is so pretty. Can we play soccer again, Mummy?
Of course, but always remember safety first.
Hello, friends. Today is a slightly boring day at Peppa Pig's house.
I'm so bored! Bored!
What's wrong, children? Why are you so sad?
There's nothing fun to play, Daddy.
I have an idea. Let's make and play with slime.
Slime? Great! I love slime! Slime! Slime!
Slime? That sounds sticky, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. But it's very fun. We need to prepare a few things.
The whole family is very excited. They are preparing the ingredients together to make slime.
Here's the bowl. Here's the spoon. And here are the secret ingredients.
What should we do now?
We will make special slime.
Oh, I love it so much! Let's do it!
The sticky, squishy slime is ready. The Peppa family loves playing with it. Playing with slime is really fun, but also a bit sticky.
Now let's mix it all up.
It's getting thick! It's so sticky! Sticky! Fun! I want to play with you.
Oops, it really is sticky.
Be careful, Daddy.
After playing happily, it's time to tidy up.
It's time to clean the kitchen, children.
Yes, Mummy. Slime was fun, but a bit sticky.
Yes, very sticky.
afternoon playing with slime. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.